No, we have just said that we are feeling a little bit unsafe. We are now talking on WhatsApp. We cannot call each other using the normal phones because our phones are hacked, our phones are interfered with. We are fearing even when we go. Like for me, I'm a woman, I'm a mother, I go to buy milk, I go to buy sukuma wiki. We are fearing because we don't know what is being planned around our lives. We are targeted. And this must stop. Let me tell you, coming out strongly to support Rigathi Gachagua doesn't mean that we supported a witch, doesn't mean that we supported a criminal. Even if he was a criminal, he is our son. That is why we have come forward with Karungo, because he's also our son. And we cannot be intimidated and be taken to the cycles of intimidation just because we came out and supported Rigathi Gachagua. And this is nonsense. And it must stop. We have a constitution, and I personally made that constitution. And I'm not going to keep quiet when they're being harassed. We are not going to keep quiet when our children are being abducted every day. Kuna kijana anauza kahawa kwa soko. Kijana kwa sababu alisema kwa hizi mitandao ya kwamba aliona wale watu walivamia kule Limuru kwa mazishi. Kijana pilika zake zimechomwa, zimeharibiwa, vitu zake zimeharibiwa. Kijana amekuwa intimidated by the policemen. Kijana wa kuuza kahawa kwa soko, unamuuliza nini? Kijana wa kuchoma metula, unamuuliza nini? If really you have to harass people, then harass leaders, but leave the Kenyans alone to hustlers to do their jobs. This must stop, and we are saying it must stop, and we are going to scream loudest. Tukitoka hapa tunaenda kuripoti kila ofisi ambayo inahusika. We must put them on notice. This must stop. Let Karongo, Wadangwa, let Wamushomba, let Senator Nyoto, let Senator Medo, let Kawajiro, and the rest of the people, the leaders, let them do their job, because we have a mandate given by the people of Kenya through the power of the vote. And you will not stop us from. Do you want to tell us now hatutakuwa tunaenda mazishi kwa sababu kuna jamaa amekasirika? Hatutakuwa tunazika watu wetu? Hatutakuwa tunaenda harambee kanisani ama hatunaenda worship kanisa kwa sababu kuna jamaa moja amekasirika? Hapana. Hapana, sisi si mapepo, tuliambiwa sisi ni mapepo. We are not mapepo. We are human beings. We are Christian. Mimi nimeokoka na kulanga ile sadaka inaitwa sakramenti. Mimi nakulanga hiyo. Sasa mtu ambaye amesema mimi nakulanga sisi sadaka, nakula sakramenti. Kanisa wa yeye alisikie. Na sasa hiyo tunasema mimi niko na baba sababu nimepiga na nimesema hii na hii, hiyo ni kunikosea heshima. Na ya mwisho turenda kugaterere vitu ta adwakiri. Neturamaka muno ni undu wa maundu maratwarithio na mbere. Tondu kuronekana ta tutari na kihoto gitũ kĩrĩa gĩthĩinĩ wa katiba ya Kenya. Katiba ya Kenya yugĩte atĩrĩrĩ, atĩ mũndũ ena wĩyathi wa kũgwatanĩra na andũ arĩa angĩ kana kũnyitanĩra association. Mũndũ ena wĩyathi wa kwĩyaria kũhĩtũkĩra mitandao, kũhĩtũkĩra media, kana ona gũthiĩ handũ mũcemanio na kwĩyaria. Katiba yugĩte atĩrĩrĩ, twĩna wĩyathi wa kũruta mawĩra marĩa tũhetwo nĩ andũ a Kenya na hinya wa kũrũcia. Nĩtũramaka mũno tondũ rĩu tũrona rĩu thirikari ĩrahũthĩra borithi na DCI kũgiria andũ mathiĩ mathiko, kũgiria andũ mathiĩ kanitha, kũgiria andũ mathiĩ mohiki, kũgiria andũ mathiĩ mĩcemanio ya arĩmi, kũgiria andũ meke maũndũ marĩa twĩkaga maũndũ witũ na maũndũ ma mĩhango itũ ya biacara. Tũkoiga atĩrĩrĩ twĩ ta atongoria a Kenya, nĩtũmakĩte mũno atĩ Karũngũ Wathangwa athurĩtwo nĩ andũ hakuhĩ milioni 1 a Kiambu senator, na kaũndũ gagekĩka Limuru mathiko-inĩ kũndũ ona atoire microphone mena arĩa marĩ nao, nowe tu wĩrĩtwo oke Nyĩrĩ ariboti Nyĩrĩ. Arĩa angĩ othe marĩ mathiko-inĩ macio rĩ, maheirwo wĩyathi mathiĩ mariboti kũrĩa mũndũ ekwenda. In fact ndio kwĩna mũrariboti ya arandĩka statement, aramũra thimũ, OCS aragira statement yake kari. No Karũngũ arerwo koime Kiambu oke nĩkĩ? Tondũ ti mwana mũciari ta mũciari nĩkĩ wake. Kuma rĩrĩa kwarĩ haro mathiko-inĩ kũrĩa Limuru no koine ndiarĩkio rĩ, tũtirĩ tũraigua andũ manyitĩtwo. Arĩa tuonire mavideo-inĩ na arĩa tuonire TV-inĩ gũtirĩ mũndũ tũraigua anyitĩtwo. Ateti arĩa marĩ kũu tiga mwathi wekĩrwo ngari cia Subaru akĩũrũrio ũtukũ mũgima rĩ, MCA wĩtagwo Mukuu nake akĩhũrwo haro yarĩ nene mũno na aracokire kuonekana na gũkũraria mũte mũgũnda na ararĩ thibitarĩ araumire ira. Araumire ira rĩ, acio angĩ marĩ kũu tondũ kwarĩ ateti aingĩ mũno rĩ, mararega kwĩrwo mandĩke statement. Ũhoro ũyũ wa gũcokia mĩhehu kĩrĩma, tondũ rĩu tũracokerio mĩhehu kĩrĩma, tũrĩaragia na mĩhehu tutirahuranira thimu riu turaria na ma WhatsApp na maundu mangi tondu ni turathikiririo turarumirwo tugithi kugura nginya nyeni tugithii saruni tukarumirirwo arume aya matirenyua kanyamu karia manyua ka miheho tondu mundu arinyua na haho tutigwitikira horo ucio nikio tukire guku kurega na ni tukurega tukwanira nginya America igwe nginya Britain igwe okorwo guo noguo tugwika angikorwo mundu mwe ni murakaru ni kirimari niatige kudirwo na andu akiri mahusaru ni adiro na mundu murakarithie no ithui turugamirire wananchi tuheo yathi tutukira tondu ni gwika na mohiki ni tuguthie pre-weddings ni tuguthie mathiko ni tuguthie na no tuguthie kanitha na turi agetha karamendi tondu turi
Yeah.
So we are here accompanying our colleague and friend, Honorable Karugo Adangwa, the Senator for Kiambu, who has been unfairly targeted by this government. And I say unfairly targeted because, of course, everybody knows that Senator Karugo was a victim of the circumstances in Limuru. So we are confused that the victim now is being turned into the villain because nobody has been arrested. I mean, those young men that perpetrated that act, their images, their faces are everywhere on social media. The police have not bothered to arrest even a single one of them. So for them to tell Senator Karugo to come to Nyeri, the victim, we find it very interesting. And we are saying that if we allow our country to slide to where it is going, then we may have as well in the future have somebody knocked down by a motor vehicle and asked to compensate the motor vehicle. Because that is exactly what is happening. Senator Karugo was a victim, but he's now being turned into a villain to come and explain why he was attacked, while the attackers are well known. And we want to tell the government that we have been very observant. We have seen somebody in Lamu talking about how the Kikuyu should be isolated. We can see now how, Senator Karugo has been called here, again further isolation. We know that these things that have happened like in Limuru were organized and had the support of the government, and I say so. Because if it did not have the support of the government, there would have been police in that particular venue. And as if that was not, people should have been arrested by now. The guy in Lamu who said some very ethnic, based comments, very bitter ones against, actually it was insightful, has not been arrested. And so we say this government has really lost direction. That is why now they are fighting everybody, including the churches. And they had isolated the Catholic Church. Now NCCK gave their own report yesterday, their own yesterday. And this is a government that has simply lost it. We have not demons operating in Kenya. What we are telling the government to do, go back to the crossroads, see where the rain started beating you. Otherwise, we refuse to be intimidated by government, and that is why we are here with Karugo Adangwa, who is being intimidated to say, we say no to intimidation. I think I want to stop. Tuoka guku kurehe Senator Karugo Adangwa, uria wititwo guku thutha wa kuhurwo agetwo Nyeri thutha wa kuhurirwo Limuru handu ha ahuri akemetwo na manyitwo uria wahurirwo niwe uretwo guku na riu twathi uguo na niguo kugeragia kuga ni kurithia handu gakinya waringwo ni nduthi kana waringwo ni ngari ugathi ukariha ukerwo we waringwo ni ukuhititie muno ni gukorwo wi bara koguo thi ukarihe nduthi tondu tiga uma bara ndungiguthirwo ni nduthi iyo na hau ni turorete na tutigitikira bururi witu ucoke hau na ni tukwenda kwira thirikari mamenye ni ha mauru mahingicanire ndungikorwo makanitha mothe ni magukiriire ndungikorwo andu othe marauga uria maundu mathukire nawe uratwira ati kwina macaitani me guku bururi-ini coka haria magomano ma njira umenye ni kumathina maku mambiririe wendwo hihi ukiherere mwathani-ri ugithii uhere na ukorwo urahera ihera genuine confession and repentance. Otherwise, things don't look good. The economy is not faring well. The church is not happy. Nobody is happy. I don't know kwa mara kwa gapi cia thibitari githomo gitirathomeka ni model cio iretwo ni funding model itaramenyekana riu macaitani mokira githĩ ti mũthiĩ mwĩcirie maũndũ ma